What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over BTC, sitting at 41.1, 41.2k, down 1.4 on the day. See market cap 806 billion, 24 volume 23 billion. So looks like we're gonna go through a little ABC correction. So we have a 5-wave move: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5 in a wave A, 3 wave up in a B, and then come down to in a wave C to our target zone in between 34.8 and about 40k. That's what I think is the likely scenario. Let's take a look at the 1 hour, see what we're doing on the RSI. So you can see here on the price action, we are slowly trickling down, maybe a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders, but we are rising on the RSI, so we could soon see a bounce in that wave B and then come down in the wave C. If we were to push all the way up and break the local high of 44.9k, then we could see continuation in a higher high. But as of right now, it does look like we're going to go through an ABC correction. Looking at our next chart, as you can see here on the weekly, we're pushing into that major resistance. Would be healthy to come back down and retest 37k. Very strong support in that area, which lines up within our target zone. And then see continuation to the upside as we're overextended, overbought. DXY, inverse head and shoulders. If that neckline breaks, then I would expect continuation up here to about 105 and all the way up further, as I do think this is a wave 4 and we're still going to push up in a wave 5, which will allow BTC to go through its correction. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including my US and Canadian traders. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. If you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100 deposit is the minimum. Email me to get that 20% bonus, as well as I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. Forex signals, forex analysis, all for free if you sign up to BITUNIX, or you can sign up through the Patreon for $10 a month for direct access. That's about it for this one. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.